Hello my kids, welcome to New Academy Year. It is time for Maths Primary 3. With Miss Lahat. Miss Shirian.
Hello my lovely friends. Our lesson today called Pattern of Multiplying by Tens. Pattern of Multiplying by Tens. Can you notice the pattern of multiplying by tens? Let's see. First we have 3 times 5. Who can tell me the product of 3 times 5 is 15? What if the 5 became 50? 3 times 50 equals what? Okay, first we product the 3. First we multiply 3 times 5 equal 15 and goes 0. So the product will be 150. Okay, 3 times 500. Okay, we have 2 zeros. First time 3. First multiply 3 times 5 is 15 and goes the 2 zeros. Okay, look at another example. 5 times 4. Who can tell me the product? 20. Perfect. Okay, 5 times 40. We have 1 0. 5 times 4 is 20 and put 1 0. 5 times 400. Okay, 5 times 4 equal 20 and put 2 zeros. Okay, it's an easy pattern, but what if we start the pattern from 40 times 5? We can use 2 strategies. First, break apart strategy. Break apart strategy. If we have 40 times 3, first 40 is 4 times 10, right or not? Yes, 4 times 10. We will take 4, multiply 3 together and multiply 10. 4 times 3 equals 12. Perfect. 12 multiply 10. 12 multiply 10. First, start with 12 multiply 1. 12 multiply 1 equals 12. Second, we have 0. So put 0 to the right of product 12. The product became 120. So 12 times 10 equals 120. Second, using the drawing line strategy. Using the drawing line strategy. We want to know the product of 5 groups of 40. Okay. We will draw 5 groups. Each group has 4 linguistics. 4 linguistics. The linguistic means 110. So we will draw 5 groups. Each group has 4 linguistics. Okay, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and finally 200. So 5 groups of 40 equals 200. Solve the following problems. 20 times 4. We wanted to use break apart strategy. We say that 20 is 2 times 10. So we will take 2 times 4 together and times 10. All times 10. Okay? 2 times 4 equals, okay, 8. And we have 0, 1 0. So put 1 0 to the right of the product. The product became 80. Who can solve the next? Who can solve the next? 3 times 60. You will solve it. Okay. what can I write at the first points? 3 and time 6. Yes, perfect. All time 10. Okay, 3 times 6 equals 18. And put 1 0 to the right, the product became 180. Read and solve. Ammar plays 12 levels of his computer games and scores 10 points at each level. How many points does Ammar score? 12 times 10 equal, first 12 times 1 equals 12 and put 0 to the right. The product became 120 points.
Miss Love. Ashirian. See you later.